I will show you how to transfer videos from an iPhone to a laptop without using a data cable / USB cable. To do this, we'll need only two things, which are an internet connection and a service that you are already using. I believe 99% of us already have a Gmail address, and if you do, most probably you already have a Google Drive account. And you won't believe how simple this actually is to transfer videos from a device to another with only the help of Google Drive. I will be guiding you on this method because in my opinion this is the easiest way to do it. Currently with a free Google Drive account you can upload up to 15 gigs of storage. First things first, I will show you how to upload the video on Google Drive from your iPhone, then I will show you how to download it from your laptop. So that being said, let's get this tutorial started.
Now first step is to open Google Drive. If you don't have Google Drive installed on your iPhone, you can find it on App Store for free. Open it and very important, sign in with your Google account. Now once you are connected into your Google Drive application, press on the plus button from the bottom right hand corner. Now I'll select upload file and inside here select photos and videos. Okay, now select the video which you'd like to upload to your Google Drive. I will select it. I have recorded my laptop for 5 seconds. I'll press on done, press one more time on upload, and right now my video is being uploaded to Google Drive. Now let's move on the laptop and I will show you how to get it from there. Alright, and now what you have to do on your laptop, you will have to open an internet browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari if you have a Mac, whatever. Just open an internet browser. I will recommend you to use Google Chrome because we have a shortcut for Google Drive, but if you don't use Google Chrome, no worries. I will show you how to get to Google Drive from any browser. Alright, now if you selected Google Chrome, you will have to open on these dots from the top right hand corner when you are on Google, and from here you can select Drive. This is a shortcut for Google Drive, and if you use another browser, you can easily search for drive.google.com, hit enter, and very important, now sign in with the same Google account that you're using on your iPhone. Once you are connected to Google Drive on your laptop, find the video which you uploaded from your phone. In my case this is the one. Now press on these three dots and now I will hit download, and my video is being downloaded right now.